to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing part 2 of rebuilding my house. So far I have this much done. I started building off camera and then I forgot that I wasn't recording. And so I added a little bit more to the house. So I was just starting on the second or the main floor. I was gonna add windows, but then I realized, wait, I have to record this. So yeah, I'm gonna start adding windows right now. I have a pretty good idea of what I want done, so I want that right there. No, that one right, come on, that one right there, and like that, and then like that. So like I think that's pretty cool, but I don't know what you guys think. So hope you guys like it. 'Cause I do. Oh my god, this thing's retarded. Ugh. Okay. I just need these. Like, bam. And bam. Okay, so like that. Now on this wall, I would like some. What do I want? Maybe I'll just do like a basic window like that. I'm gonna put one over here too. Put one. This is the Christmas tree room. The kitchen can have one right here because the dining table is going there. So here, I'm gonna kind of do the same design, but just with two of them, because I think that looks better in the kitchen at least. Just want to make sure these are like symmetrical. Alright. Okay. My voice just was really weird for a second. Because this is being the kitchen, like I said just a second ago. And I'm gonna have some windows right here at the front door so I can see who's trying to break in my house. Just kidding. No one's breaking into this house with me home. There we go. That looks very nice, I think. Personally. I saw someone else on YouTube do it, but I can't remember who did it, but I loved it. It looked really good. Sorry guys, my phone just keeps blowing up. There we go, that looks nice. Okay, so I think the top floor is good for windows. It looks kind of weird, but whatever. Downstairs. Alright. So for downstairs, we're just gonna have some small ones like up here. Cause like, you know, it's down in the ground. Just like this. I hate when it does this. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, time for this window. This one I'm going to put 2 big ones because they look nice. There, that looks good. And then this one's gotta have some windows. Sorry guys, I'm not talking because I'm very concentrated on what I'm doing. Okay. Okay, that's the garage. So, downstairs is complete for the windows. Maybe I should like put the stuff in it. I'll just wait until I got all the windows in. I just gotta get to the top floor. This is a giant house for just me living here, but like, people like me need some big houses, like. Come on. I really want this house to be like perfect so that I don't have to like keep making new ones, because I really like this house design. Hopefully I like it forever, or for at least a long time. I'm hoping forever. That'd be amazing, because I have made so many different houses so many times. It's crazy. There we go. Sorry if you hear people in the background. That's my sisters fighting with my mother. So this room's gonna... Wow, it's only been 10 minutes. It's very surprising because my last one ended up very, very long. And there are those even... Okay. These are good. These are some very, very nice houses. Okay. So I've got all my windows in. Let's see what it looks like. Whoa, it kind of looks... Oh, there's no window right here. Hold on. That looks weird without a window there. So we're gonna go up to this floor. Grab a window. Which one am I gonna put? I'm gonna do this cool design. There we go. There we go. This is very easy. There we go. It looks nice, nice. Alright. So I think we are about ready for some lighting to go into this house. Oh, gotta go all the way down to the very first floor, or the basement. Lighting. We're just gonna be basic. We're gonna put these ones because they're easy. I don't want to be invited to a party right now. I'm in a very big situation here. I'm building my forever home. I pretty much said that for my last house, but that was not true because look at me now. Already going into my next house. Oh, not windows. Lighting. Put these in the kitchen. Oh, I hate when it does that. I'll have to fix that in a second. Put one in the corner, put one in this corner. Don't be messing with me right now. I have to put it somewhere where it won't work. Come on. Just gonna put it there for now. I'm gonna go. Put them in there too. Gotta put some in here. Now we're gonna change these to white. Not purple. White. Okay. And then we just gotta change all of these to this color. This is probably, honestly, the hardest and longest, annoyingest, or most annoying job to do when building your home. Especially your forever home, because you want it to be perfect. Right now I just gotta get my last floor. The top floor I think is the smallest. But I kind of got an idea for every room, kind of. I'm just gonna have this one right here is gonna be like my filming room. So did I just, oh yeah, I haven't even put any up here yet. Dude, okay. I was talking to myself, because I'm weird like that. Do. We got all of our lighting in, and we're still at $23,000. It sounded like Pat off of Wheel of Fortune, or not Pat, the one guy. Okay, well now we got to decorate, so I think we're gonna start from. First, I gotta get a freaking roof on this thing. I'm done. I'm weird, and I just put like flooring as like the roof, I guess. It's way easier, and I'm pretty sure it's cheaper. I didn't know, but I'm hoping it's cheaper. Cause it's like this, like this, and then you go floor, and then you go, and then it's like the exact same as the roof. So, yeah. Okay, now we're gonna go. Alright, now it's time to start decorating. So we're gonna do all the... never mind. We're going to just do the top floor first. And we're gonna be using some expensive stuff. Peeps. That's all I'm saying. I'm super weird. And this one is gonna go there. It's close enough. Okay, now. Oh, I forgot. You gotta put your flooring a special way so that it doesn't interfere with your stairs. So I've done that many times and then it looks really retarded. Then you can't even get up the freaking stairs. Okay. Okay, and then I gotta put. I don't really know how to like make my house like modern. I guess I always make it really weird. I really want modern, but that's what I go for. But it never works out. Come on. That room's done. Now we gotta do my filming. So we're gonna put the stop. I don't care right now. I'm trying to make my own YouTube video. Put my still. Need to change that color. And then we're gonna need we need a telescope. It kind of looks like a camera, doesn't it? Let's just say it does. Okay, this is gonna be, I want my background for my videos. I want it to be like a yellow. Like a nice yellow. Okay, then over here I'm gonna have like a desk table thing. It's gonna have like makeup and all that good stuff that I would use before recording a video. some makeup. Oh, that thing's backwards. Blue jay. Come on, let's go. That's all we need. Oh, that's my recording room. So I feel like I'm gonna sit down and start recording. This wasn't supposed to be a bathroom. It was supposed to be the homeschooling room. Well, I guess that's gonna have to go downstairs. Wait, I gotta get my tree. Come here, tree. Let's go. Let's go. That looks so tiny, doesn't it? It looks super small. Any bigger Christmas trees? That's the one I have right there. Bigger ones? Is this it? What the heck now? Well, that's I'm just gonna have to do my tree. Wait, we're gonna put it over there so I can put a whole bunch of presents around. Oh my god, phone, shut up. I've gotta get the bigger ones. Get any more? Oh, here's a nice big one. How big is that thing? Oh, no, it's just one. I just spent a lot of money on all this. just gonna make that one purple. This one's gonna be light red. This one's gonna be yellow or tan, whatever. This one's gonna be, that can stay. This one is going to be that color. This one's gonna be green. And this one. There we go. Look at all those trees, people. Come in here for the Christmas spirit. Tables. Gotta get a great big ol' dining room table so we can fill up them chairs. Not that. Now this is gonna be metal. Need to look up Christmas. Christmas, oh Christmas, oh Christmas. Gonna have this snow globe as the middle centerpiece. Yeah, snow globe. Go snow globe. Okay, but now we need some countertops. It's gonna go like pow, bam, ba-ching, boom. Alright, so we gotta look at the appliances. The stove is going right here. Like that. Gotta put the coffee maker thing here too. Toaster can go right there. There's a girl coming over to my house. So what else? The blender? Blender can go right there. And what'd she say? I'll try and make this green, and this can be gray, and this can be perfect. And that can be just the way it is. Well, that looks fine. Oh, now I need my fridge to go right there. Okay, these are gonna be the same. This is just gonna be ghost gray, and it's gonna be that. Looks very nice. Then I'm gonna have to go back to frickin' work because I'm already at $14,000. And I'm gonna look up plants. Gonna have some itty bitty ones like there, and then it's gonna be like that, and this one can go like right there. Like pow. Plant. There we go. There's the kitchen. Now we need the living room. Need a table. I think we'll just do that. And then we're gonna need some comfortable couches. It's gonna go like that. And we'll have that. And then we can have one more on the other side. Come on, turn. Oh, this thing's so dumb. I turned it too much. Come on, chair. Right there. It's good. I need this one to go away because I don't need this one anymore. Now we just need the TV. And then this will be alright. All good to go. We're gonna have a big old, I don't know how big this is, but it's pretty big. Oh my god, this thing is so annoying. I hate when it does this. Okay, please stay. Oh, thank the Lord. Now we're gonna... No, we don't need this. We need some paint on the walls. We're gonna go bam, boom, gotta be like that one. Look at that. And then there's this big empty space in the middle. And it's awkward. Now we go downstairs. And this is where the fun happens. I need my bed in here. Bed in here. I want a small bedside table over there. It's gonna be that one and that one. And they're gonna be green. I like this green. It looks very nice. I think it does, at least. Now I've got to go up to the 3rd floor so we can match these. Go back down to the basement. I'm gonna go this, and I'm gonna go not tables, storage. I'll just get a clothing rack right there. And I would like storage. Wait, I can do this, and then I can put my TV up here. We're gonna have a TV in this room, but it's gonna be a smaller one. Oh, it's gonna turn all the way. Turn. Come on, turn. There we go. Okay, now I can get rid of that. Okay, and then put a plant up on the dresser too. And put this one, that one, and then one of those. That looks very nice, I think. This has to be white, because the white is very clean, I think. Boom, look at that. Now over here, I'm gonna have a makeup desk. Boom, boom, boom. Tables. I have this table. And we're gonna look up. And then I can have some makeup. And then I need I want the one with the lights around it. Very nice. Some perfume. Because this girl doesn't want to be stinky. She'll be stinky and all the boys will be walking away from her. They'll be like, see ya. Didn't want to be I don't know, guys. This one's gonna be white, and then I was gonna do that. And I want it right. I want it right. I'm just gonna leave it like that because I don't want to deal with it any longer. Yeah, professional mirror. Because I'm a pro. And we need a chair. We're just gonna use the... Never mind, we are not. Because it won't center. Oh, that's annoying. I bet this is the one that actually goes to it. It's gonna do it like that. So that it all matches. Nice. Alright, now this wall's gonna be filled, people. Filled. You hear me? With... Just kidding, it's not gonna be filled, but it's gonna have a lot. Gonna have this all big cake one right there. Now this itty bitty one, that itty bitty one, and then this itty bitty one. Then we're gonna have one more nice one right here, and then I'm gonna have to move this one over. I know, guys, you could, if you're OCD like me, you're like, move it. There we go. There's some painting on that wall. And then this is going to be... I've got 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms so far. I think this can be another bedroom. We need excuse me, a table for it. And then we gotta have the come on, work with. We have to have the dresser over here. I'm gonna have some type of modern thing over here. I could put this one and then I could fill it with some plants. I love plants. Plants. It's gonna have this one and that one and that one and that one. Okay, have this one, this one, this one, and then we could have this one maybe. That's all we need, peeps. All we need. This one has to be this, and this one's gonna be like that. This one is gonna be a darker spiky plant. Nope, nope, nope. That's a very light color. Medium green. And then this one's gonna... Okay. Just this. And I'm gonna... some sort of other color. This, like this. Then we've got it. That. Alright, this is gonna that. There we go, that's nice. And then, then one more bathroom, and then we're done, guys. I didn't think we were going to have enough money for this old house, but looky here, we've got quite a lot of money. Well, I ended up with the same amount of money before, like when I did my other house and I finished it. I had 3,000 something, and I am done with this house. Thank the Lord. I'm sorry, guys, that's my phone ringing. Shut up, phone. Don't mind it. Oh, geez, this one's almost an hour long. Shut up, phone. Oh my God. Someone freaking answer the phone. There we go, people. It's all done. Except I kind of want to add... Oh, wait, I've got to... I'm silly. Add the big old garage door. Bam. Ooh, you know what I should do? I should put a carpet down. Oh, no, that one. Like this, so that it goes like... Is that aligned? It's not. Oh boy. It's done, guys. It's done. Oh, we're gonna go back on that. Add a light in here so that it looks a little bit better. And so that you can see. And then change this to white. Oh my God. Go back. Just do that one for now, I guess. Go. Come on. There we go, guys. It's done. Done. And this is... Okay, now it's gonna not show my my car, but it's there. Guys, it's finally finished. It looks really weird It looks really weird because it doesn't have any, like, I guess color on the outside, but I could change that really quickly. We're gonna just do this real quick. Just go this. And then we're just gonna leave the back because the back is fine. Oh my god, shut up, phone. Oh my god, it's making me so mad. And then the roof is gonna be all weird, but whatever. Wait, I can actually change that. Okay, well, we're not doing the whole back. It looked funny. Guys, okay, we're done. Oh, wait. I'm so dumb. I need to fix the roof. There we go. We're done. I can finally go in my house and end this very long video. Oh my goodness, it looks so nice. Ooh, nice. I'm gonna have to change those soon, but it's so nice. It's super big, like you love it. And then in here is like I'm just locking everything, and then Christmas tree. Oh, it looks so pretty. We're gonna go in the basement and see what everything. See, this is what annoys me. I never get to fix things because it always doesn't. Oh my god. Oh, whatever. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this very long video. If you did, smash that like button and be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, comment down below if you guys like the look of my house. If you do, that's great. Also, give the video a thumbs up. So, yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.